Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Fudgy Chocolate Brownie Cookies. I'm a real chocoholic. I love almost everything that contains chocolate. Therefore, I'm so happy and excited to share one of my all-time favorite chocolate brownie cookie recipe with you today. So let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 230 grams of melted butter, 150 grams of sugar, and 150 grams of brown sugar. Mix this until everything is well combined by using a wire whisk. Add in the 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 80 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. Just mix this all together until the mixture turns thick and smooth, just like so. Now we can add in the 320 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix this until everything is well combined. I'm using a wooden spoon for this, since the mixture will become quite thicker and difficult to mix. This is the consistency we are looking for. Lastly, we can now fold in the 200 grams of chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. I'm using half semi-sweet and half milk chocolate chunks for these cookies. Now I'm going to take my medium ice cream scoop, which is about 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to scoop the cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, simply like this. Make sure that your cookies are a few inches apart. I am now going to use the palm of my hand to gently press the cookie scoops down. Our cookies are now ready for the oven. Bake them for about 10 to 11 minutes and no longer, please, or else you're going to end up with dry cookies. My cookies have done baking. I baked mine for 10 minutes. So this is how the cookies should look like. They should be a bit firm around the edges and soft in the center, just like so. Look at these super delicious chocolate brownie cookies. They are fudgy, soft, and chewy in the center with crisp edges, just like an ordinary brownie. Oh my, chocolate overload, just the way I like it. You guys must give this recipe a try. I promise you won't regret it. Make sure to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!